6389, maintain 3000.
280, 3000, Scout 6389.
Hello, SS 14.
214 Heavy, emergency vehicles are responding.
SS 14.
Emergency responding.
Okay, now it's, SS 14, now it's,
Cessna 737 Zulu Delta, San Francisco Tower, remain clear of the San Francisco Class 12 airspace. Contact San Carlos Tower.
7 Zulu Delta, contacting San Carlos Tower and remain clear.
Helicopter 3 Sierra Foxtrot, leaving the Bravo airspace in 2 miles radar service, terminate squawk, maintain VFR frequency space. Port is closed, San Francisco Tower. Horizon 6. Easy on a 214 Heavy, San Francisco Tower.
Correct, 635 going around.
Horizon 635, fly heading 265, maintain 3100.
265, 3100, Horizon 635.
Easy on a 214 Heavy, emergency vehicles are responding. We have everyone on their way. Skywest 5452, San Francisco Tower, go around.
Go around, Skywest 5452.
Skywest 5452, fly heading 280, maintain 3000.
280 and 3000, Skywest 5452.
Horizon 635, fly heading 265, maintain 3100.
Yes, sir, 265, 3100, Horizon 635.
Contact NorCal Departure 135.1.
351, Horizon 635.
Skywest 5452, contact NorCal Departure 135.1.
30 by 1. 6039, we'll go to San Jose.
Skywest 6389, roger. And contact NorCal Departure. 1, Skywest 6389. SC-33, San Francisco Tower, proceed to the scene, cross. SC-11, San Francisco Tower, proceed as requested, cross all runner.
San Francisco Tower, 3 and Rescue 11, clear the 1.
SC-33, Rescue 11, roger. So, Space Fox, San Francisco Tower.
San Francisco Tower, SQ-10, on Foxtrot, cross 1 left, 1 right.
SQ-10, San 1 left, cross San 1 right.
Unit 885.
Say again?
Yes, this is 885. We are slowing to the speed left. We see people, and they should need the immediate attention because they're alive and walking around.
United 885 Heavy, roger. People are just walking outside the airplane right now.
Yeah, some people look like they're struggling.